Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel,
Adi and Marcia Reactions.
So today we're gonna react not on a Bollywood song, not on a Bollywood movie, but something very attached to India.
And attached to my heart.
Yeah. We're
So
gonna watch
today Tata Groups. Today we are going to react how big Tata is. So do you know about Tata?
Honestly, I didn't know about Tata before I meet Adi. After I meet Adi, I know a lot about Tata.
So what is Tata actually?
It's a big corporation.
Oh, you know, you're not lying. Okay, you're not lying. So guys, please keep watching till last, and if you like my channel and this video, please like, subscribe and share if it's about to shareable.
Yeah, so let's watch first and then we're gonna talk.
This is a simple looking head office of the Tata Group in Mumbai, India. But Tata Group is anything but simple. Started as a small trading company by Jamshedji Tata in 1868.
Wow, it's very old.
Tata Group now has more employees than Toyota, Coke, Facebook, Microsoft and Google combined. It now operates in over 100 countries. So let's tighten our seatbelts and take a world tour to witness the remarkable business empire of Tata Group. Our first stop is North America. Here Tata Group owns the luxury hotel Taj Campton Palace in San Francisco, Taj Boston, and one of the world's finest and New York's iconic hotel.
Wow, I didn't know actually about hotels.
Tata's Tetley is the second largest tea company in US and largest in Canada. They also own popular brands like Good Earth and America's third largest coffee company, 8 O'Clock Coffee. Tata's IT service company, TCS, operates 24 offices in North America. And while their animation and design lab, Tata Elxsi, also operates in 8+ locations in the region. In manufacturing sector, the group operates a soda ash mining company in Wyoming, iron ore mining company in Quebec, Canada, steel manufacturing facilities in Ohio and Pennsylvania, and also a coffee production plant. In all, Tata Group employs over 20,000 people in North America, about 3 times more than how many people Microsoft employs in India. Now let's travel to South America. TCS employs more than 8,000 people in 8 countries in South America. The group is also an investor in the first submarine fiber cable network between US and Brazil. Tata is also own world's largest subsea fiber cable network.
Do you know what it is?
Today, 25% of world's internet routes travel over Tata's subsea networks. From South America, let's travel to Africa and land in the port city of South Africa, Cape Town. Here, Tata Group owns the historic luxury hotel Taj Cape Town. In nearby Zambia, they own Taj Pamodzi, one of the most luxurious hotels of the country. Tatas also operate 2 wind farms in South Africa and a hydroelectric power project in Zambia. The group also owns Jokels, South Africa's third largest tea company. Tata trucks and buses are one of the top sellers in Zambia, South Africa and Kenya. In manufacturing sector, Tata owns a chemical plant in Magadi, Kenya, which is Africa's largest soda ash manufacturer, commercial vehicle assembly plant and a steel plant in South Africa, and finally a manufacturing and a power plant in Mozambique.
Wow.
You have to talk, don't worry, just look at it.
Buckingham Palace, Queen's official residence. Close to the palace,
in the
Tatas own the luxurious Taj 51 Buckingham Gate Suites. The hotel also has the world's first Jaguar suite for all the Jaguar lovers. Nearby, the St. James Court Hotel is also owned by the group. Tata's Tetley is the largest tea company in the UK. Their other European tea brands include Vitex,
we have Tetley in Poland too.
Jemka, the market leader in Czech Republic, and Grand, a coffee brand in Russia. Tata Steel is one of Europe's largest steel maker, and TCS has been awarded as the best employer in Europe. Jaguar Land Rover is also owned by Tata
last night
and is the largest manufacturer of premium vehicles in Britain. The group also operates design centers in London and Paris and one of the world's largest e-learning company in UK, Germany and Switzerland. Tata employs around 60,000 people in Europe and is also UK's biggest industrial employer. To end it all, Tatas also own a relatively small company called British Salt in the UK. An Indian company owns British Salt. Quite ironic if one remembers Gandhi's Salt March carried out against the British Raj only 88 years ago. Now let's travel all the way to Sydney, Australia. Here in Sydney, TCS began its first operations in Australia, and now the company operates across Australia and New Zealand with over 10,000 employees and clients like Qantas, Telstra and Commonwealth Bank. Tatas also own popular Australian coffee machine brand MAP and operate data centers across Australia through their partnership with NextDC. The group also holds stake in Scarborough Downs coal project in Queensland, Australia. Finally, we have reached Asia. Let's start in the desert sands of the Middle East. Tata's Range Rover is one of the most sought after four-wheel drives in the region. Tata Motors is also a leader in the medium and heavy commercial vehicle segment in GCC countries, while TCS has multiple offices in the Middle East, including an all-women IT services center in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The group also owns Titan. Titan watches are leading brand in Oman and Bahrain. They also own logistics company in UAE and the luxurious city hotel Taj Dubai,
51%.
near popular landmarks like Palm Jumeirah. Finally, Voltas, Tata's leading air conditioning brand, has completed major mechanical and air conditioning projects that include Burj Khalifa, Dubai, international airports in UAE and Bahrain, Ferrari Experience, and F1 racetrack in Abu Dhabi. Southeast Asia. From deserts of UAE, we will move to South Korea. Here, Tata owns South Korea's second largest heavy commercial vehicle manufacturer, Tata Daewoo. In Singapore, Tata's steel plant is the largest single cut and bent steel operations worldwide, while the group is also the largest producer of long steel products in Thailand. Tatas also own stake in oil and gas blocks and coal reserves in Indonesia and are developing power generation projects in Myanmar and Vietnam, and even operate a life sciences research company and own plantations in Singapore and Indonesia. Even Tata's Voltas has executed engineering projects like New Hong Kong International Airport and Cyberport Business Park in
Hong Kong. Really, in China? I didn't know.
6
in Hong Kong, China. Here, TCS has 6 global delivery centers. Tata's own 2 rolling mills, a refractories factory, an auto parts factory, green tea manufacturing plant, and also have a Jaguar Land Rover assembly plant.
Maldives. I always wanted to go
Asia,
there.
The beautiful and scenic Maldives.
Expensive.
Here we will find the lush Taj Coral Reef with white sands and scenic view. Moving ahead to Sri Lanka. Taj owns the picturesque Taj Bentota and 2 more hotels in Colombo. Tatas also provide telecommunication services in Nepal and Sri Lanka and have even deployed a hydro project in Bhutan. After our long world tour, we have finally reached India. Here, TCS is the largest Indian company.
TCS becomes the first Indian company to hit $100 billion in market cap.
Tata Motors is a leader in commercial vehicles segment. Titan Company is India's largest manufacturer of branded watches. Tatas also run largest jewelry store chain Tanishq, while their Tata Power is India's largest integrated power company. Tatas also own steel plants, tea plantations, automobile manufacturing units, chemical factories, and even own mobile networks and DTH company Tata Sky. Not only that, they operate airline Vistara and also manufacture defense helicopters and equipment.
Salt, look.
Even Starbucks in India is jointly owned by the Tatas. Tata has not only created a massive business empire, but also multiple social institutions like cancer treatment centers, mathematics and science research institutes, and also the first planned industrial city of India, Jamshedpur. 66% of the group's shares are held by a charity trust. Across the world, the company has been involved in multiple social programs. Tata is truly an incredible company and has traveled a long way from...
Let's talk.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. I know that Tata is powerful company, corporation, but I didn't know the extent of the, the investments they did. Like 70 years ago, 80 years ago.
70 or 75 years before.
Yeah, the British was
ruling in India, yeah.
Yeah, and now the Tata company, corporation now, they buying so many other companies
like
in
I'm
Europe.
Going to tell you, Tetley, it's also famous on your country.
I knew Tetley since I was a kid.
Jaguar.
Yeah.
We will watch the story of Jaguar because Masha didn't know about what was the reason behind buying the Jaguar.
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know.
So and another surprising thing for me, besides how powerful it is, that they own like companies in many different departments.
Yeah.
Food, minerals, cars, networking. What else? Hotels.
Look. Why Tata is famous? Tata sell, salt. It's the cheapest thing I think for everyone can buy, and he sell Jaguar.
Yes, exactly. So much different things.
How big employers and how much employees work in their company. Like in Europe, I was searching something that last night, and what I found, like Tata company was nominated the best employer. Yeah, in Europe.
In Europe,
especially in Belgium.
Really?
Yeah, last year. And do you notice that America, 25,000 of employees.
Yes.
In London.
And also I was surprised in Africa they also, have a big powerful businesses like hotels and all around the world.
In Africa, if you will go in Africa, there's two countries only ruling them. Ruling, I mean there is business. One is India, the second China. Two countries like companies, so much company in the Africa. And for me, what was the surprising? I know you
but
will not
like
give a damn
so they are comparative, China and
they are doing a business. I have no idea they are competitive or not. But for me, what was surprising, like 25% of submarine cable is from
submarine
Tata.
Cables.
Do you know what is submarine cables?
It's in the sea. It's Yeah.
More. Submarine cables, like when I call from there to my India, so how information goes.
Yes.
So there is submarine cable between oceans, like they make a data center like in Europe sub-corner and data center of India. So information how go? First information goes from data center of Belgium to the Mumbai data center through submarine cable.
I see.
And 25% of all over the world. It's really so surprising.
It's really
for me
amazing.
And so nice.
Wow.
Yeah, I love it.
But they start very poor, I can say.
You can't say poor, but they start very small.
Very small. Yeah, very small.
And up now, this is the achievement, all the things, how big Tata is.
Yeah. Indians must be so proud.
Of course, we are proud.
Oh
and you know what? The things you have to care, like why Tata is not rich as Mukesh Ambani. As you know, Mukesh Ambani is the first person in the Asia as a richest person.
Most richest person.
So the question must be arised, like why not Tata?
Why?
What do you think? Because 66% he give charity.
Oh yeah, the charity. I forget about charity, and I was also impressed by that.
Yeah.
Yes,
not in India, in America, in Europe, in Africa, everywhere.
Work.
He gives charity.
Yes.
And one guy's reporter asked from the Tata, why you are not richest person of India while Mukesh Ambani is the richest person. What was the answer of the, you know, Tata? Mukesh Ambani wanted to make Indian economics strong, and I wanted to make Indian happy. That was the answer up from the Tata.
Wow.
You can Google it.
Wow.
Really. And it was really so nice. He didn't say that Ambani is doing wrong. He is also doing such a great job.
Yes.
Because economics matter for country, and happiness also matter for country.
Yeah, so we have a balance.
I'm requesting like for Ambani and Tata, if there's a 10 or 20, you know, companies also in India, it will be great. And I believe it will be soon.
Yeah.
And you know that India introduced a social app, Elements, just like a Facebook.
Yes.
And it's such a good and great
Indian version of American and Chinese application. Yeah.
Like in Element, and I download it.
I saw it yesterday.
Yeah. It was great. I'm so surprised. And what's what you?
Yeah, that's great. We have to invest more in our own products.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we will talk someday about how and why Tata Group by Jaguar.
Okay.
That's the story because Jaguar is a you know, British company.
Yeah.
You know one thing more. India is the biggest employer in London, like in Britain.
Yes.
Indian companies give maximum employees,
maximum
jobs in the
London,
UK actually, all UK more than any other company. So we can say that we are, you know, before they now but we are not like him.
Like what?
You don't understand. They can understand.
I do a little bit.
Like, you know, the rules 200 300 years now it's our time,
and now it's time, but you're not doing with the force, you're doing with the economy and
economically,
like
not economically we are doing, we are helping them,
of course. Everybody should be happy.
But the good things, the England is our friend now.
Yeah, but it was a very sad and painful history, I know.
Yeah, it was painful history. We will not go.
We need to move on, but never forget what happened. To never forget the history, the sacrifice of our own men, and we can live in peace, but don't forget the history and learn from mistakes, of course.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I talk too much.
We talk too much. Okay, guys, thank you for watching us. If you watched till there.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Leave a comment if you reach to the end.
Yeah, leave the comment because it's 15
I don't believe it's possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for watching us. And really, this video gave me so much satisfaction and
proud. Yeah.
Okay, thank you again.
Thank you.
Please share, subscribe, and don't forget to like. And if you wanna to follow Marcia's Instagram or my Instagram ID, you can get in the description box. And we have another channel called Blogging. We are not so active on this channel because you know there's no time, but we will be. So
thank you so much.
You can subscribe that too.
Okay.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
See you again.
See you next time.